Designing a killer YouTube thumbnail on your smartphone. No PC or laptop needed. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, this video is packed with tips, tricks, and a little bit of humor to keep things interesting. So let's jump right in. We will go through 5 simple steps. Step 1 is getting started with CapCut. First thing first, open CapCut. If you don't have it yet, hit pause. Download it from App Store or Google Play and come back. I will wait. Alright, ready? Let's create a new project. Now let's add our images. Hit the Photos tab. If you select a photo straight away, you won't have the edit option. Instead, tap on this circle icon. Tap Edit. With this, you can create a background. Tap Size. Choose any size that you want. In this case, I'll go for 3x2. Click on this icon. Slide to the left. Tap Background. Slide through the colors and choose a color. Since this is going to be our background, we no need to choose a deep color. Instead, choose a bright or light color. Tap the photo. Tap the delete icon. We don't need the image, we are just creating a background. Let's make it a little spicy by adding shapes. Go through the shapes and select any. Tap Style and set a color for the shape. Use the pinch gesture to adjust the size and position. Hit the Export button. Tap the New Project again. Import your newly created background. Slide the timeline to the left and delete the ending watermark. Tap Overlay. Add overlay. In the Photos tab, choose a photo from your gallery. Thumbnails are all about that eye-catching first impression. So pick your best shots. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but a great thumbnail is worth 1,000 clicks. Just make sure your face isn't doing something weird. Trust me, I've been there. So select a photo and add it to the timeline. Now we need to remove the background. From the Tools panel below the timeline, scroll to the left and look for Remove Background. Hit Auto Remove. We will add a little effect to our image. Tap Stroke and choose any of these stroke options. I will go for this. Now to increase the size of the stroke, you can control the size slider. Set the size to around 54. Next up, let's arrange and resize our images. Use your 2 fingers to adjust the size and position. CapCut makes it super easy with its intuitive controls. Step 4. Adding text. Add some catchy text to grab attention. So let's go back. Hit Text. Tap Add Text and enter any text that you want. In this scenario, I will enter thumbnail. Go to the Font tab and choose a font. Go to the Style tab. select a solid color shape with round edges. I will resize and position the text. You can duplicate the text right here, or you can find the duplicate here in the Tools panel. Drag the duplicate text down. Tap on it, enter a new name. In this case, I will enter using CapCut. You can tap on a specific color, or you can go through the color options. You can also tap on the eyedropper tool and use this circle to sample a color. I will use the eyedropper tool to sample a color from here. Select the second text. Reduce the size with the size slider. Go to the background tab, swipe up, and increase the height of the text background. Also increase the width of the text background. Repeat this process to have both text background to be the same or similar in terms of size. With the thumbnail text selected, tap Style, and from these color options, choose a specific color for the text background. Go to the Text tab and choose Black for the text color. Choose bold, readable fonts. No one wants to squint at your thumbnail. And don't be afraid to get creative with colors and style. Remember, the brighter, the better. Step 5. Final touches and exporting. Tap the back arrow. Look for overlay. With this, we want to make sure that the main elements are front and center. We want our viewers to know exactly what the video is about and with just one glance. So feel free to play around with the layers. As you can see, my picture is above the first two text layers. Now bringing this to the end, check your alignment, make sure everything looks balanced, and fix any tiny details. Once you are happy with your masterpiece, it's time to export. Hit that export button, choose your settings, and voila! Your thumbnail is ready to dazzle the world. Let's recap. Today, we've learned how to start a new project in CapCut, import and arrange images, add and style text, finalize and export our thumbnail. Easy peasy, right? Now go out there and create some amazing thumbnails that will make everyone click on your video. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.